Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we're going to fit a vertical blind. I've unpacked everything so I can create a mess. Okay, right. I've unpacked it. The only instruction I can see so far is on the end of the blind, so I'm not going to worry about that. We have these three clips, right? Now, doesn't take more than logic to work it out. Three clips, three screws, three wall plugs. Plugs go into the wall. This clips on. Now here's the pole. And if I just catch it on the chair leg, stop it sliding away. These clips on just like that. One hand thing is kind of awkward. So face that way. Clips on at the side. See the angle? Clips into the groove there and there, and then it just locks on just like that. Yeah, right, so we've got to fit these to the wall up here. They had blinds before. You can see the screw holes, so that will save us drilling the holes. So we just got to line them up in accordance. All right. We have these bits. Now these bits fit in the bottom of the blinds there, and then these strings, these bits here, you see, they hook on to here, probably like that. See, evenly spaced. Right. Inside the blinds, you have, once you've demolished it, these hooks. See? Right? Those hooks, put my foot there, stop it sliding, clips on to the other bit, the other end. If I can find it, I'll be able to show you. Onto those bits, alright? So that's pretty straightforward. Vertical blinds. Alright, so we don't need those because there's plugs in the wall already. But we're gonna need these. Alright? These screws, if you look at them, they're Phillips screws, cross-headed, whatever you want to call them. These I would fit so that the hand bit goes to the back so you don't see it. So I'm going to screw those up and then get the pole on the wall, and then we go from there. Okay, see you in a minute. In the meantime, say hi to my beautiful granddaughter. Say hi. Yeah, that's my baby. If you look inside of there, I don't know if you can see it. You might just about see it. It looks a bit glossy in there. That's water. All right. So if you ever have water in these things, do not plug it in. Alright, so you got to make sure all that water gets out there and it's all dry before. The reason why this got water in it is because the toolbox got wet. If I do that, you can see that. So we're gonna have to drain that out. So that's just a tip for you. So far we managed to get one bracket up. Okay, see you in a minute. Oh yeah, my happy birthday. Oh, thanks kids. Love you all. Alright, and this one here, if I put the wall plug in, you can see it just falls straight in the hole. So what we're going to do with that, is we get our wall plug onto our bracket and we'll screw it in a bit, and then we'll push the whole lot in and then tighten it up. Okay, we're going to give that a go and see. Right, there you go. We've got 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so we're going to try and now clip our rail on. But the end of the rail just here, that fell off, and that is there, just clips back on. So we're going to clip it back on and stick it on a wall. See you again in a minute. Right, there's our rail all up and everything. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so what you got to do is you clip the front end in. So if you twist, imagine that's your blinds, twist it that way, get this end in, and then press the back, and it will just lock in. There you are, job done. That ain't going nowhere. Okay, so what we're going to do now is hang our bits and pieces. The end that I said came off earlier on, it came off here, covers the rail. I think I may have said it came off the other end, but as you can see, it didn't. The string, pull, train goes down the track. So we're gonna hook up our blinds now and take it from there. See you again in a minute. Okay, there's our blinds all together and up. Now we're gonna show you how it works. If you open it, see that? Look at that, eh? Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Close it back again. I'm gonna have to cut that bit out because now I can see me reflecting in the glass. Yeah. Yeah. Now if you pull this other one, look at that, eh? Right, now the reason it's waving about like that is because we've yet to fit these bits to the bottom, but also we get an extra strip, so should in case you destroy one, you've got one. I don't know if you can get these made up individually, should in case you destroy two. So we're gonna put the bottom bits in, where are these bits, and then hook it up, and we'll be back again. Okay, see you in a second. Right, there's our blinds all together. I've put the bits on at the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to just give you a quick example of how these things go on, because I've left that one off. Can you hold this camera for me, please? Alright, if you come in close up, yeah? Don't zoom, just come in. Right, these clips, what you do, you just press it on, yeah? And if you find that you've put it on wrong or you've skipped one or whatever, then you go downward just like that, and it'll come off. So let me do it proper. Yeah, yeah, it's off. So you can move it along. Press it on, and that's it. And that's it. So if you hold there, I'll give you another demonstration quickly. There you go. Just close. Just open. And see, it swings right around. Right? And in this one, go like that, and we go like that. Perfect. Blinds direct, give you a little plug. Excellent blinds. Thank you for watching. Join us again on Tradespeople's Tips. Good luck, people.